Hey, welcome to What's in My Bag, or, my EDC, everyday carry, or whatever. First off, right here we have a pocket knife. Now, I don't know where I got this knife from. Well, I know I got it from my mother, but I don't know where it came from. But it's really nice. It's sharp. It has like this heavy weighted feel. It's smooth to the touch. I really like it. I used it when I was working at my old job to cut boxes, but later on in the video I got a different box cutter that you will see. But yeah, I really like this knife. It feels really nice in the hand. Alright, and here, this is pretty simple. Obviously, everyone has to carry keys, right? So I drive, but I don't have my own car, so I really just carry my house keys, a keychain, and a USB flash drive. The flash drive I got from Amazon. I don't remember the brand, but the keychain that I got for, was it my birthday? I either got it for my birthday or for Christmas, and it just says, I came, I saw. I wrote a play on the saying, I came, I saw, and I conquered. I really like it because I guess you could call me a writer. I just really like writing and stuff. So it really meant a lot, and has a little typewriter, so that's cool. But next up, we have yes, water bottle. So this is the Mainstays brand from Walmart. It's literally just a Walmart bottle. It has a really nice textured feel to it. For being from Walmart, it feels really premium. It's weighty. I like weighty stuff. It feels nice when you screw off the top, and I think it's vacuum sealed. I think, no promises. But it carries a lot of water, and yeah, I plan on using this. I just got this, so I plan on using it because I need to drink more water when I'm working. So yeah, it's really nice. Hopefully it doesn't spill into my bag. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Alright, right here we have the famous Fisher Space bullet pen. I think that's how you say it, Fisher Space bullet pen. This is very popular in the EDC world, and really it's just a really good pen. It has a pressurized ink cartridge, which means you could write upside down or even in space, hence the name Space Pen or Space Bullet Pen. And yeah, when you take off the top, you can put it on its back to make it a full-size pen, so it's just super comfortable to write with. And the clip that it has, it's a little extra. It's just $5, but yeah, it's a really nice pen. It feels really premium and smooth to the touch, and honestly, when I'm at work, I just like to fidget with it, so it's pretty cool. Next, this is that box cutter that I was talking about. I got this from Amazon as well. It's a Mossy Oak Box Cutter. It has this really rustic look to it, like a weathered, nice look to it. I think it's nice. It has a clip, which is very convenient. I plan on using this at work. Again, just bought it. I plan on using it at work to, of course, cut boxes. But yeah, it's really small. I wish the blade was a little smaller because I don't need too much to just cut boxes. But yeah, I really like it. It's really nice. It was really cheap too. I think it was like $10, and I got 2 of them. So this is just one. But yeah, and it's very, very sharp. I should probably do a cutting test later. Maybe I will. But yeah, it's a very sharp, nice blade, and it feels really good in the hand. So that is the Mossy Oak Box Cutter. What do we have next? Of course, my notebook. This is just a super random brand from Amazon, and with a Leuchtturm label on it, so that label didn't come with it. But it feels nice. It's really small. really just what I need for work, just to write down my daily tasks and take down names and stuff like that. So really simple. If you notice, the Leuchtturm logo is upside down, which I noticed afterwards. But yeah, it's really just what I need for work. It's super simple, and I like the aesthetic of it. It's going in my back pocket. Yeah, these are nothing special. These are just flags for labeling text and stuff, so whatever. So here we have Rhett and Link's peanut butter peppermint lip balm, and peanut butter and peppermint doesn't sound like a good combo, but once you try it, it's actually pretty nice. I'm a huge supporter of Rhett and Link, or Good Mythical Morning. You should really check them out if you haven't heard of them. They're really funny, and they're just great guys. So that's just lip balm. Everyone needs lip balm, right? You don't want chapped lips and stuff. I believe this is yes, this is a microfiber cloth, because as your average consumer would say, you know, everyone has to have a microfiber cloth. I think this is just a random one from Zenny Optical. I don't know if you can buy this, but it's where I get my glasses from, so it works. You know, it's just a microfiber cloth. The design is kind of tacky, but it's whatever. Okay, in this main compartment, I have, first of all, headphones or gum. I suppose probably the gum first. So you don't ever want to be caught with stink breath or coffee breath or whatever. Especially when you're dealing with customers and stuff, you always want to have that fresh breath after your lunch break, so I always carry gum with me. This is my favorite flavor from 5 Gum. Now we've got the headphones. So these headphones came with the phone that I'm filming this on, the Galaxy Note 9. They're just the AKG headphones. I don't know the model number or anything like that, but they're really nice, punchy headphones. They're good. I mean, I pretty much got them for free with my phone, so they're really nice. They have like this metallic feel on the earbuds, and the cable is braided, and it just feels really premium. So I like it. I like it a lot. Sound quality is good. That's it. It's just good. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I mean, if you want, actually, I don't know how expensive they are. I never looked at them separately. But the cables feel really good, and you know, that makes it worth it, you know, aside from the sound quality. Now this is just a cable holder that I used to hold my my earbuds. I got it from Etsy. It's just nice to have like a piece of leather to hold down your cables and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Here, we have the creme de la creme. Is that the saying? Whatever. My Nintendo Switch in this Wii Woo case. I think that's how you pronounce it. Again, from Amazon, because who does not love Amazon? This case is really nice. It feels nice on the inside, and it just protects my Switch phenomenally. It's nice and slim, which is what I like. I don't like bulky cases, especially if I'm fitting it in my little messenger bag. I really like a slim case. Not too much of a fan of the colors, but you know, whatever works, right? Right now, I'm playing a lot of Smash. I think I have like 600 hours in Smash. It's crazy. But yeah, it's a Nintendo Switch. Everyone knows what it is, right? So that's just for chilling out in the break room after I finish eating lunch. But yeah, there's my Nintendo Switch. Case is really nice. I recommend checking it out. Alright, now, book or notebook? Let's do the notebook. So, this is the Leuchtturm 1917. I bought it off of, guess what? Amazon. And it's a really, really nice notebook. I got it, I like to bullet journal, so I have it in the dotted grid. It has this leatherette cover, which feels alright. The leatherette feels alright. There's the logo on the back right there. And it's a nice notebook, man. The paper feels really good. It doesn't bleed. It has a nice rubber band. I think Leuchtturm is better than Moleskine, in my opinion, when it comes to notebooks. I prefer Leuchtturm. But yeah, and then it has this little folder in the back to store papers and stuff, and of course a bookmark, like every good notebook should have. So yeah, there's the Leuchtturm 1917. Now we just have a book for whenever you get bored in the break room and you don't feel like playing the Switch or going on your phone or whatever. I'm gonna be honest, have not started reading this book. I got it a few weeks ago. It's just a backup. I've just been reading a lot of personal finance books, and I just need to get started on this one. But yeah, it's just a book. What else can you say? Nothing too crazy. Alright, now, nothing else in there. So, back here, we just have literally pens. Besides the Fisher Space pen, bullet pen, whatever you want to call it, I just carry a ton of pens on me because I like writing a lot, and you never know when you need to write. This is just a pencil, a mechanical pencil, but everything else is just a pen. Super simple. I carry 2 black pens and 1 blue pen when I'm feeling different, I want to write in blue instead of black. But yeah, they're just pens. That's it in that pocket. Now, finally, back here, I carry my USB Type-C cable. Now, I don't know the brand from this, it's from Amazon, but I don't quite recommend it. The cables are too stiff in my opinion, and I just haven't had a good experience with it. Like, sometimes it even pops out of my phone, so it's alright. But I wouldn't recommend it. Honestly, go with Anchor, which is the brand that I got my portable charger from. Fantastic brand. Love it. It's not too expensive. They make their stuff with care. This portable charger is a beast. It charges my phone super fast, up to, I want to say 4 times, and I have a Galaxy Note 9. Actually, I've only tested it extensively on my LG G6, but I know that it will charge my Galaxy Note 9 at least 2 times, maybe 3. But it is a fantastic charger and a fantastic brand. I highly recommend Anchor. So, I'd always check that out. But yeah. So, I believe that is it. This bag that I got... Oh, wait, no. The pin. How could I forget about the pin? Of course. So, this pin is from Jacksepticeye. If you've ever heard of him. He's just a gaming YouTuber. And that PMA is what it says. Pretty much just means positive mental attitude. It's a really nice pin and a nice reminder just to have a positive mental attitude. And the bag that I got, it's nothing special, just from Amazon. But anyways, thank you for watching.